Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'll be doing a Jamaican Bulla Cake recipe, and the ingredients are as follows: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup Jamaican ginger, 2 tablespoons shortening, preferable vegetable shortening, 1.5 tablespoon molasses, 1 tablespoon vanilla, gonna use a cup of water. It might take less, all depends on the consistency. Then I'm gonna use a 1/4 teaspoon allspice, 1/4 teaspoon allspice, and a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. That's it for the ingredients. When I'm combining, I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm back. I'll be mixing the ingredients now. In this bowl, I have 2 cups flour, adding 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon allspice, then I'll grate 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, these are my dry ingredients. I'll mix them up together. I'll get back when I'm doing the wet ingredients. Okay, in this container I got my wet ingredients comprising of 3/4 cups water, 1.5 tablespoon molasses, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 3/4 cup brown sugar, and last but not least 2 tablespoons vegetable shortening, which I melted in a microwave. I'll mix all of these together until all the sugar is mixed out. I could be using a mixer, electric mixer, but I choose to forego that as I want to exercise. I'll get back to you when I'm mixing the wet ingredients into the white ingredients, into the dry ingredients. So, alright, I'll be mixing the wet and dry ingredients together now. What I did was cut this recipe in half. You can add more ingredients, or you can double the ingredients to get the full recipe. But as I haven't enough mouths to finish this, I cut it in half. Okay, I'll get back to you when I'm getting the bulla ready for baking. Okay, I'm back. I'm ready to make the bullas, and gonna show you my style, the right style. Remember back in the days, our ancestors, they didn't have no rolling pin to roll no bulla on a floured surface. Not to say I'm hitting anyone who do that, but I don't do that. I make my bullas like dumplings. Okay, so this is my dough, just like how we need our dough for the dumpling, right? And you take the size of your bulla. You want it big like this, right? Dip it in some flour. So I got flour in this. So I just dip it in some flour, roll it round, and just like how we make our dumpling, just like this, and then press. Press just like that. Shape them around. And I flatten them to about 1/4 inch. So this is one of my bulla, ready to bake. Okay, so I'm gonna make the others and make one more. Put them in my pan. Alright. Gonna make one more, then I'll go about making the rest, just like making a dumpling. Flour, roll around 2 times, just like making dumplings. Right? That. Apply some pressure to the middle. Circle him to about 1/4 inch. Flatten him, bulla number 2. Okay, I'll get back to you when I'm finished and I'm loading them in the oven. Okay, I made my bullas. They're here in the pan. Nice looking. How lovely they look, right? How lovely they look. I'm gonna stick them in the oven now. I'll get back to you when these Jamaican Bulla are finished. See you then. Okay, the dumpling style Jamaican Bullas are finished. Finally, just took them out of the oven. They took 25 minutes in a 350 degrees preheated oven to bake. Now I'm gonna brush them with the melted butter. How lovely they look. No mess with flour to clean up. No rolling pins. Just the technique of making regular Jamaican dumplings. How lovely they look. Dumpling style Jamaican dumplings. Dumpling style Jamaican Bullas. Correction. I'm gonna put them in a plate. Okay, I've plated the dumpling style Jamaican Bulla, and like I said, this is a simplified way of making the bullas without the use of rolling pins, without the use of flouring surfaces, and without the use of a lot of flour, which will cause a lot of mess sometimes. This one is just simple, just like making dumplings. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I have more lovely recipes. You can put a comment in the comment section for whichever recipe you'd like me to make. Thank you again. Thank you.